Good morning, everyone. Good Tuesday morning. Hello, good morning. How are we doing? Nice, cozy morning. Hope it's going well this morning. Got enough sleep and all that. I was gonna do something. I already forgot. Two things at once. Right, turn down the music because it's a little loud. There we go. Should be good enough. Maybe a little less. Just have it in the background. How are we this morning? I'm gonna be doing some Godot this morning. Maybe not the most exciting subject compared to like art, like yesterday, but that's what we're gonna be doing. I did not do any classes last night because I did a lot of other stuff. And I got tired at some point and I wanted to play some games and relax because I don't want to burn out. Very important, don't burn out. And you might see me massage my neck a little bit here because I really should get back to the gym or something. Like my neck is starting to have trouble. I do have a tendency of sitting crooked, which means my head is a little more forward and then my neck is working a little overtime, so it's a little sore. I have to get a better posture. Good morning, Trop. Got to feed the soul. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah, I didn't open Steam, right. Gotta get to Godot. Right. So I am gonna follow one of the courses, but you guys won't hear it or see it, because, as I said, it is paid. Ooh, Silent Hill F is on sale, but still kind of expensive. Nope, not buying that. That's Blender, Godot, got your coffee this morning maybe. Just another morning where I wake up and I'm like, oh, my eyes are still sticky, oh god. But I'm starting to get used to the schedule of like going to bed early and then waking up early. I feel like I'm starting to get into the vibe. I feel like I'm at a point like maybe if I don't put an alarm, I might wake up at the right time. But then again, this weekend, Saturday, I did that. I didn't go to bed too late on Friday. And then Saturday, I woke up at like almost 10. I was like, I think I needed sleep. But then Sunday, I was fine. I like woke up relatively early. All right, launch Godot. I didn't check to see what class I'd be doing because kind of forgot where I was at. So I thought of like, oh, maybe I could like try adding a menu to one of my prototypes or whatever and like try to do it from memory from months ago. And I was like, nah, I feel like that wouldn't be very productive. So let me open my Notion. So I'm using Arc right now for the Mammoth Club stuff. Why am I... What? Ew. Hold on. Since when does Copilot open when you open a new tab? I don't want that. Oh. Ew. Oh, jeez. AI. Do milk. How do I do milk and Godot? And Bruman, hello, welcome in. From YouTube, from the Red app. Look at that. Not sure I understand the command there. Database system. The old system was different. Dictionaries for each var. Now I'm doing a JSON with all the good idea, yeah. It's a good change, but changes. Yeah, a lot of logic indeed. What am I looking for? A game dev? No? Ugh, I need to do something about my probably going over to YouTube also. Yeah. What? Where did I put it? Hello? Game dev? I am confused in my own stuff. What on earth? Where did I put it? I really need to redo my cleanup of Notion. Is it research? Yes. Okay, it's... I think, yes, recommended course order. So it would be Godot for beginners, learn game development from scratch. Again, I feel like I'm past that. Game design and code a 3D roller race in C#. I feel like I've got something missing for this. I need access to all the chats. True, true, true. I don't know, they haven't answered yet. I mean, YouTube does have a lot of bots also. That is a problem in comments. I don't know about, like, stream chats, but I know about videos themselves. There's lots of bots. But, I don't know. Okay, so we got mastering turn-based RPG development. Why do I feel like there's, like, in between what I did before and the next ones, it's like, what? There's like a step there that's missing. Bodice growth. Kinda, I guess. Godot 4 level design masterclass. Build a complete ninja adventure game. That sounds fun. Wait, could try that. Arc. Courses. Also, I changed my name in the Mammoth Club thing. No longer my not full name. It's now my streamer thing. It was like ninja. This one, yeah. So I'll put that one on Arc, so you guys don't see nor hear it. I'll put it over under myself. Oh, sun's already rising. I can already see the yellow. So my main problem with YouTube Music, because I do use YouTube Music now, because since I use Premium, I might as well use everything from YouTube. It uses the browser. So I use Edge. I know, Edge. Everybody's like, Edge. It's actually fine. It's Chromium. And the YouTube Music app on my Windows uses Edge also. So in my OBS, it counts as the browser audio, which is so annoying. So I had to use Arc for the audio, because I don't want you guys hearing the class, you know? Okay, so let's hide that, hide that, hide that. My god, how many windows I have open? Sheesh. Alright. Use Firefox. Yeah, I know Firefox is getting, like, good in a sense, where they're, like, giving you the option of turning off all the AI stuff, which, good on them. But yeah, I tried out Arc, which is another browser. I could show you. It's the one I had earlier. This is Arc. It's very like simplified. Like the URL is like so tiny up there, and then obviously you can pin this to see it. But it's all like everything's on the side like this. You've got like your quick ones up here. But I liked this browser, but then for some reason, I don't know if they fixed it, maybe they updated it, but like it started having really bad performance issues with my computer, because I like to have my browser on one side and then gaming on the other monitor, and like I don't know, I watch YouTube videos and then I game at the same time, and at some point it started being really bad. I don't know what happened. Like it would start like going crazy, like it was eating a memory all of a sudden, like there was a memory leak or something. No idea. But I do like it. Like at first it was weird. Oh look, there's an update on the corner. Maybe they fixed it. But yeah, I liked it. And then also Prime Video was having issues on this browser for some reason. My personal one, I don't know why. Kind of weird. But yeah, that's Arc. I just like being able to hide everything and just have the full view. And I've also realized that I think all the Chromium browsers have started doing the rounded corners up top, like for all the web pages. Like if we look at Edge, it's the same. This is all the classes I was looking at. But yeah, like all the little edges here. Is that like a Chromium thing? I think it is. But yeah, that's Arc. Let's put that over so I can sort of see myself and see chat at the same time. Thank you for the follow, the Yagish. Welcome in. Good morning. If it's morning for you. If it's afternoon, good afternoon. If it's evening, good evening. Okay, so let's put that down. Okay, let's go for this. And we're finally starting the timer. Look at that. Let's do a whole ceremony of it, because it's a new one for this one. All the other ones are like way off, and this one's like, oh, we're starting. So 59, that is the max. That is the max. And we start the 100, wait, yes. We start the 100 hours for Godot. Yay! Did I press? Yes. Might have realized I did change up the library a little bit. I did move some books around, so now I just have to fix where my wire goes. Make sure that's visible. So then when I do this, aha, all good. All right. All right, so I have the class start lesson. So we're designing, apparently design home and town for ninja adventure game in Godot 4. I hope it's gonna be relatively simple, because during the stream, not great to start like looking for stuff that don't work well, and you know how it is, scuff stuff. All right. Oh yeah, I think is it the same person? Oh, I think it's another. Good, you guys don't hear it. Thank God. Whoa, 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 whoa. He skipped the project creation. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold on there. I'm not ready. What should I call it? Ninja game? Ninja game. And that's pretty much it. I don't have any version control for this because this is just an exercise. Eventually we'll get going. Edit now, yes. Oh, you guys saw streamer bot. Wow. Okay, so it was 2D. Yes. And then he did new. Okay. He's going really fast. It's not the same instructor, so I think this guy's just assuming you're already pretty far into the courses, I think. That's what I was saying earlier. Like, you go from starting from scratch, and then it goes straight to like something more complicated. Hi, how are we doing? We're doing good this morning. I hope you're all going all right. I can't speak this morning. The usual. Anyway, hi, hope you're doing good. Valiant Habibi, welcome in. We're doing some Godot this morning. I'm still learning, so it's gonna be all over the place. It's just so you know, there is a course going on my other monitor, but you guys can't hear it because it's a paid course, and I don't think I'm allowed to show you guys. So yeah, if I suddenly go silent and nothing's going on, it's probably because I'm listening to the other thing on the side. So yeah, I'm learning how to do some Godot. Tomorrow's gonna be just chatting, and then sound design, and then 3D. Yay. All right. What's he making? Tile? Okay. Tile map, create. Yeah, it's to make games. Thank you, Yagish. So this is the interface you see right now. Whoa, hold on. Whoa, you just made a bunch of tile maps. What? This instructor is so quick. Yes, this is Godot. I can... Hold on, I'm just gonna save this. Whoops, that was not the right window. Just to give you an idea what this is. Right, this is a scene. I don't know what we're naming it yet. Well, I'll rename it later. Let's see, save, everything's saved, everything's good. I'll just give you an example of other stuff. I'm just gonna close out this, it's annoying. Let's say I go with, let's go with one of the templates because mine are not that great. How about this one? Yeah, switch to 4.6. It's open source and free. It is indeed. So you got some coding, you got some 3D if you're doing a 3D game, if you're doing 2D. Yeah, let me show you. This is not something I made. This is a template I got off my courses and stuff. Like, I don't know, you can get a dino. I forgot how this works. Wait, am I selling? What am I doing? Buy? Yes. Free? No. Huh? Oh, look at that. I have dinos. I have two little dominoes. Uh, video editing. Yes, I do that a little bit sometimes on my off time. Although I might do a little bit more for my work, maybe, because, well, I'm technically a web developer, and my boss saw my YouTube shorts. He was like, I really like your style. Would you like to do like a video project for like some fun stuff? And I was like, that's really outside my job description, but okay. Like, so maybe I'll do videos. Even though technically we have videographers for that. Yes, co-working. It's gonna be a short one though. Well, short-ish. My streams are short because it's just like I do an hour and a half before work, and this morning's out an hour and a half because I'm working from home. Yep. But yes, video editing. Do you have a specific editing software you're using? So with my work, we have access to the Adobe Suite. It is expensive, but my job's paying, so I can't complain. So obviously I'm using Premiere, and I should get back into After Effects. It's been a while. It's fun to make some effects with After Effects. Thank you for the follow. Did I not hear the effect? Weird. I should have heard knocking, unless I was so busy talking I didn't hear it. Alright, let's continue with a whole bunch of time lapse. Is he gonna keep those? Whoa, hold on. Okay, I guess he did make a whole bunch of time lapse. Okay, I guess we're keeping them. Create, and then we create another one. And then he wants me to click tile set. Oh, do I have to download something? New tile set. Okay, no, I don't have to. Whoa. Wait, I didn't have that option. Unless, oh, he's using another version, probably. He's using 4 point something. I can't see. And I got a PC that can handle video editing within the past few months, downloading DaVinci Resolve. Ooh, that's a good one. But given my main use in social media, even CapCut would be fun, I imagine. Yeah, probably simpler also, but video editing, I can't say those words, is a good skill to have, I think. Like, it lets you learn about other stuff if you really go down the rabbit hole. Yeah, maybe you'll go down the rabbit hole real deep and end up in VFX. Who knows? If you go that far. But yeah, it can get pretty fun and very, very, very intricate. Okay, time map. You went to this. Okay, so we have to put tile set for each. What? I feel like you skipped something. I'm confused. There's a game that teaches you Blender? Talking about Blender, we're actually doing some Blender also. That's Friday. Friday morning we do Blender. I chose Friday because I work from home. The Lord Bo, good day, co-working with us. Yes, hello, welcome in. Hope your morning's good. Blender is also a rabbit hole of things to learn. Yes, indeed. Yeah, so I do have that too. I got them on Steam because I was like, I don't feel like updating, and thanks to Trop, he told me Blender was there. I got Godot there, but then I got Blender on Steam also. Like, it just updates itself. You can see how many games I have. I have a lot of observation duty games. That's kind of what I'm trying to make. An anomaly game, but like kind of mixed up with Phasmophobia. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing that soon though, because still have to learn. Also, he's talking about assets, but I don't see. Just does he have files? Source files 1 to 4. Let's download that. Unless it's just the game. I just want the images he has. Just gonna put that over there. Download source files, extract. Also, drop. I added the wish list. And I put Nix as the fish that's there is Nix. He's on the image. Also, I have a frog fun. You're probably wondering why the heck do I have a frog fun? So I kind of forgot my goal this year was trying to save money to get a terrarium and frogs. Just like forgetfulness, but yes. So if you want to contribute to the frog fund, you can. Get into the end of a PCB I've been working on for about 5 months. Nice. When you get to the ending of things, it feels good. Like putting out that website I've been waiting to put out for months for work. And then of course I had to put out fires last week because they were like, oh, this thing's missing. Oh, this thing's bugging. It's like, sheesh. It is blue. It is very blue. My fish is extremely blue. Hold on, I'll show you a picture of the fish. What's a good picture? Fish. Well, I mean, you'll see it if you go in my panels at the bottom, but that's a good picture. There you go. That's Nix. He's very blue and he's got an attitude also. Yeah, he's definitely a male betta fish for sure. He would fight me if he could. If he could. Holy crap. This is my second betta in like 2 years maybe. The other one I had died. He was kind of a rescue from the office. Somebody thought it was a good idea to get a betta for the office. Weird ideas. Yeah, I could show you that other guy. But he died back in mid-December. He was getting old, I think. He was just an old man, then he died. This is after I got him from the office, and then later on he like grew out his fins a little bit. He had a weird color. Like his fins were nice, but his body was such a weird color, and he was still pale in this picture. He was turning darker as I got him. Yeah. Was that your spider? I don't have a spider. That was a wild spider I took a picture of, but they're so curious. Like, I can't believe I managed to get a picture of it. So I have this little macro lens for my cell phone, and I was like, I want to get a picture of that spider, but it kept jumping on my cell phone, and I was like, stop. And then I got the picture of it. For those wondering, I have the picture not far away. And for those who are new, I'm all over the place, just so you know. Very much all over the place. I do all sorts of things. I learned all sorts of crafts, art, 3D, Blender, cosplay, 3D printing. There's just so much. Where is the... Whoops, I went too far, I think. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So I hope you're not scared of spiders, but this is the picture we're talking about. I got with my little macro lens. Jack of all trades, yes. It's a relief, but also can feel odd. Yeah, you kind of feel empty. It's like, oh no, what do I do? But yeah, this is a little spider that was in my apartment last year. A little curious, and I was very much scared of spiders before I started messing around with the spiders in my apartment. And then, like, I remember, I think it's this one, I let it jump on my hand, but I got so scared. But I knew it was gonna jump on my hand, but I was like, it did jump on my hand, and then I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. And then it jumped back on the wall, and I was like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get scared. And then after that, I was fine. But yeah, it's got little beady eyes. Little lady. I do believe it's a female because of the I think it's the pedipalps on the front. Is it pedipalps or is it chelicerae? I think the chelicerae are the two fangs on the front. But yeah, the pedipalps are like these here on the front. They're smaller when they're female. I think they're bigger when they're males. And there's also the abdomen on the back that's a little different. Hello, Rico. Welcome in. Good morning. Sorry about the spider picture. I know some of you are really, really scared of pictures. I know some people are actually scared of just seeing pictures. I used to know someone that was like that, and I was like, how? I don't get scared of pictures of things. But I mean, everybody's different. It's possible. Alright. I got distracted. I was trying to get some images of the assets. What am I looking for? Was it snow? Creepy view. Oh no! It doesn't keep where I was at. No! Okay, hold on. Icon is Fiji. No. I think he cut. Okay, that's the tile set bit. You love him! Nice! Biology major. Cool. Yeah, I used to be really scared of spiders and until I started like really messing around with jumping spiders and like being like, they're kind of cute, but then like actually getting to touch them is kind of weird. It's like, oh god, I have to touch them, and then it's okay, you're getting better the more you do it, and then when you see other spiders, you're like, you don't die inside when you see them. Like, I remember like doing something on the floor and the counter was here and there was like a spider coming across and I didn't get scared, which was weird. I was like, huh, I guess that does work. Yeah, the jumping ones are cute. The other ones, I'm fine with them-ish. Depends on the spider. Yeah, the jumping ones are they're curious also. There's also like their attitude towards you that is different. They actually see where they're going and all that. And there was one male little jumping spider once that was on the floor and like I kept messing around with him. He stayed around for a few days and at one point I was like trying to get him to touch my finger and I remember him just like using his leg to touch my finger and he went, no. And then he left. I was like, oh, poor little guy. I scared him too much. But they are cute. I don't know if I'd get one though as a pet. I feel like I'd be scared of accidentally killing it or something. They're so small and fragile. That's what worries me. And also I saw a TikTok of someone who ordered a jumping spider but got by accident a what's it called in English? Miguel. Not a tarantula, the other one. What's it called? A bigger spider, basically. And like she takes it out of the container and it runs off. And I was like, oh god, if that happens to me, I would die. It's like, oh god. But Godot, shh. I'm looking for a file here. Hold on. Good morning, Avgas. Very informative. Yes, always off track. Wait, hold on. I'm just waiting for... Oh. You definitely skipped. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna make folders. I hate not having folders. Let's have scenes. We'll have assets. And in assets we'll have... Can I do this? Nope, that's not quite it. Or this? Nope, I don't know what I just did. I'm trying to make a folder quicker, but I guess it doesn't work that way. Images. Okay, let's start with that. We're gonna put you in here. Yes. Images. And then snow.png and tileset.png. The clock is ticking. True, I forgot about that. Oh dear. So snow.png. Can I just put that there? Yes. Cool. And tileset.png. There we go. What does that look like? Snow. Nice. What about this one? Oh, that's kind of cute. Ah, those don't work anymore. I don't know if I could get them to work with StreamerBot. I'll see. Did I have those before? Maybe I did. I'll have to look at the other version of StreamerBot I was using. I still have those in the old one. No, I think it would still work for followage and uptime. They're not related to subs and stuff. Alright, back to the course. What's he doing? GIF items, cool. Yeah, for those wondering, I'm using this to deal with my yeah, this is my account. This is what I use for all my actions and stuff. It's called Streamer Bot. For your streamer and want to like do your own stuff, you can code stuff in this. You can do whatever you want. But this is all I have right now. So you can see I don't have many things. At some point I'll bring some commands in. Like there's one command I have to add. I thought about it yesterday to link to the challenge because not everybody is on Twitch and might want to know about the challenge. I do have an issue with commands in YouTube though. For some reason it doesn't work. There is this one doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. I don't see it pop up. This one I think works, or is it which one was it? I think it's the coffee one. Oh yeah, it's true, you did. Wait, did Avgas unfollow? Oh, that's possible. Yeah, a few of you have done that. Oh no, you guys have lost your stuff. Oh no, I guess that's the problem with unfollowing. You do lose your streak of like following for so long. Okay, where were we? You thought it was all. So did I. I didn't think I'd come back. What? What did he just do? Wait, he did. What? I don't have that. Hold on. Am I in tiles? Yes. Whoa. Huh? Okay, this instructor is really. Also, he doesn't have the same version as Godot than me. So. Okay. Wait, back up. Huh. This tile set has no tile source configured. I feel like I'm missing something. Cause tile map, tile set, yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, got it. And then he did this. Okay, we got it. That was it. Oof, we got it. Unit. I usually have no idea who those users are now. Oh, yeah. Well, I still oddly remember, which I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna forget who everyone is. Turns out I actually remember a lot of them. Jeez. We like to. Do I say yes? Sir? Probably. Yes. Yes. Wow! Look at that! Hard to see the text. Okay, 16. That's good. Wait, how did... Oh. Got it, Chop. Right, Chop, you've done a few of these, so you can probably help me out if I'm like, oh, I'm lost. That's cute. I didn't make this, guys. This is from my course. Wait. What? Hold on. Too fast. Hold on. What? He did something. Huh? He did something. I don't know what he did. Oh, okay. Oh, he's layering. Oh, okay. Let's make sure this is connected. Why do I have a warning though? What is this? Tile map node is deprecated. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But my course uses tile map. Very large tile set. I break my tiles into smaller patches. Yeah, this one's big. Maple leaf t-shirt? Maple leaf shirt? Wait, what? Need things organized and tidy on my PC. If it's over, it's over. Glad we're all back. Look forward to wear my t-shirt again. Oh, was it the one with the leaves? Yeah, now I get it. Like maple leaf. Like, what? Yes, that one. Yeah, the good old merch. I don't even know if I did something about Do I still have fourth wall? I don't even know if it's still there. Probably. Okay, well, I guess we'll use the deprecated version because I don't want to go off too much from what the course is doing. Yeah, the 2 maple leaves that cover the nipples. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I think only one person ordered the one with my weird AI image with the weird clam frog thing. I think I still have the emote for that one. Maybe I'm the only one who can use it. I think it was a subscriber emote, maybe? Not sure. Alright, we're doing the second layer. Okay, use 2 layers, okay. Oh my god, time flies fast. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can do giveaways through it. Nice. Yeah, maybe at some point I'll do something about fourth wall. We'll see. Maybe not, but then again, that's not the goal of my return. But then again, frog fun. I want them frogs. Need cream for your coffee and Choppers is it open for 20 minutes? No! Patience. Oh, talking about coffee. I'm already that low? It becomes cold so quickly. Whatever, cold coffee, it's fine. It's fine. Blech. Oh lord, there's gonna be so much collision to add into this stuff. Oh. Oh lord. Like all these houses need collision. Oh, jeez. Hold up. Hold up. We're selecting one of these. Apparently. Wait, how do we? What? No. How do we choose it? Huh? Oh, select. Ah, that's better. Okay. It'll be disgusting by the time it gets there. Ew. Gross. Oh, powdered creamer. Yeah, that's a good thing to have as a backup. I used to like buy them just in case. I'd be like, oh no, I don't have creamer. Oh. And then I don't want to go out. I don't really have an excuse anymore because like the grocery store is like super close here. But yeah, powdered creamer is a good thing to have. But I don't know about where you are at, but the ones we have are pretty expensive. So it's like, ugh, every time I come to buy them, I'm like, yuck. I do need one for work though, because I am lactose intolerant and all the milk for coffee at work is all normal milk. I did try it though the other day and I didn't react, so maybe I could get away with it. Are we doing ground or house? Oh my lord. Make up your mind, sir. Apparently we're adding a house. And also, this is tiny. There we go. Let's go with the house then. Sheesh. I can indeed make my workspace bigger. You got me there before I did it. Oh, it's not for 24 hours, that's why. Yeah, big tub. Ooh, nice. At the dollar store. Nice. What? And then it's... Okay. But... What? Hold on. What? Hold on. He selected, then what? Wait. What? I'm so confused. Do I just drag it? No. Oh yeah, I do. Oh, whoops. Whoopsie. But how? Huh? No. Maybe this? Nope. We'll get there. Tile set is for placing... What? At the bottom of the screen. Oh, that's confusing. Time is for editing, tiles is for placing. Okay, let me. Can I? What? How? Oh, jeez. Thank God you're there. So he is, but he's on tile map though. Wait, back it up. Oh, this is confusing. He's selecting from tile map. He's doing it from tile map, yeah. And then what? On the right tile map. Tile map. He's on this. Huh? Maybe, but I don't understand. He just does like this, and then he just drags it. Oh. Okay. Got it. Okay. No, I'm good. Never mind. I don't know where to put it. I don't know. We'll just, I don't know. There's. Got it. This is oof. So, oh, and it automatically does it. Okay. It's too early for this. Woohoo. I'm gonna try doing what he's doing. Unless he erases everything and then I'll be like, oh, really? Wait. Oh, I see what he's doing. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so pixel art is kind of cool. Wait, hold on. What if can I erase it? Whoops. Stop. I'll just undo. I just want to get this part and then this part, and then I can make a long house. Like maybe I'll put a second door because the house is like really, oops, really long. There we go. And then have it like boop, long house. Yeah, it's a pain probably because you have to do all your tiles and all that. Maybe in the beginning we'll do a little more of like this stuff. I don't know how to draw pixel art though, so that is another challenge for me. Then again, if 3D goes really well, maybe we'll just delve into 3D fully, like crazy 3D stuff. I did make a nice mug in my blender thing. I'm quite proud of my Kuza mug. Oh, he put a sign. Hold on. Where is... Oh, it's there. Dude. It's on my dojo. Let's put it there. Nice. It's a long dojo. Oh, that's how you put them on top. Hold on. I want it on top. Oh, but I don't have the time map on the other... Never mind. Let's put it like that. I don't want to play around with my layers. He's playing around with his layers. Hold on. Has he been adding to the other tile map? Oh. Ah. Yeah, I guess pixel art is too cute for horror a little bit. I mean, it could still work. Kind of cozy horror, maybe. But yeah, 3D, because you have to do the jump scare stuff. Yeah. Yeah. And 3D can be quite simple. I've seen like all the Cello's art stuff. They seem relatively simple, except maybe for Umigari, which is their latest one, which is a fishing game. They went into the fishing game realm. It's kind of like Dredge, but scarier-ish. really weird fish. Yeah. Yeah, I guess Graveyard Keeper, yeah. Okay, so anyway, what layer is he on? Okay, so we're on the right layer. I can always play with him, I guess. I gotta keep an eye on what layer he's on, because he goes quick. He's like adding a whole bunch of like signs and stuff. Oh, we've got some tombs. Nice. If we have some dead people. Okay, he's glazing the pixel art texture pack, and I'm like, can you get on with it? What are we doing? Let's go for one of these. Put it up here. One of these. Put it up here. Wow, he put some statues on his dojo. No! Oh, shit. This has to be in another layer. Let's put it beside then. There. Oh, he put like, hold on. I'm gonna do... Okay, that's that. Let's do this and this. And this and this. There we go. Looks a little bit like his. Yes. Yes, as a whole, like playing with all that, all your layers and everything. Yeah, that can get it tricky and annoying. I can get that. Yeah, layers. Oh, now he's on the other layer. I think I didn't set, yeah, I didn't set this one. Tile set. Bloop. Yes. There we go. He is adding a mountain on the back. Let's just go with this. Whoops. Wait, time out. There we go. And he is going all the way. Whoops! Ah! Yeah. Okay, and then he has kind of a curve going down. That looks a lot like it. There we go. Like this. But yeah, it's kind of the same principle with the trees, kind of like, is it called parallax? I think it's called parallax. When you're animating something with actual hand-drawn stuff, you have to think that like your trees on the front are gonna go faster than the trees on the back, so that gives it the effect that you're moving. It's kind of like that, but it's not really moving in the game unless you make it move. Like unless you're making a scene that's moving. So your background's gonna move less fast than your foreground. Alright, onwards. I want like this. Have it like that. Parallax. Is that it? Just gonna I'll add texture after. I'm just gonna do all the yellow. Bloop. Building a scene. Bloop. There we go. Maybe it ends here. Add little rocks here and there. Make it feel a little more alive, I guess. We'll add cracks afterwards. Maybe there's a crack here, maybe here, or here. It's so simple. Holy hell. Let's put this one in. And then it goes up like that. Whoop, this one. Whee, this is actually fun. I know you said like it's a pain to do the pixel art, but like, it's kind of fun though. It's just so easy. But then again, we haven't really started 3D, so maybe. Oh, that's so great. Okay, I'm just gonna put green everywhere. Oh, maybe not under the houses though. That looks a little strange. There. So then it looks like the path is a little more worn down. Oh wait, I'll do the grass first. Here. So he's basically just painting a scene. He's not really doing any programming, so I guess we're gonna do that this morning. Yeah, making tile sets is a nightmare, but then it's fun to paint. I could see that. Yeah. Oh, I'll have like a little path. Oh, that looks like a path also. Maybe I'll put like this one in front of the doors. Is that nice looking? Ugh. Yeah, no. What does this look like? That's cute, I guess. Oops. I'll just draw over. Oh, I see what he's doing. Okay, hold on. Where is... Okay, I think it's this one. I'm actually gonna use this one instead. Yee. And we got some chill, jazzy Zelda music. This one doesn't sound very Zelda-ish, but it's supposed to be. Oops. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Oh no, wait. Hold on. I wanted it to be too wide. So that would be like this. I mean, like that. Actually, maybe I'll try this one. Kind of cute. Let's put this. Tile maps is placing tiles, but then tile set, you can set up collision of tiles so that the player can't run through buildings, and it's all set up beforehand. You don't have to do it on the map, just each tile type at once. Okay, so tile map, painting the thing, tile set, collision. Right. Oh, so he's going full sand. I want grass though. I feel like it needs a little grass. Unless we put like... I feel like it doesn't mesh well with my grass. Because we have dirt, but the dirt's a little too dark for the sand. He doesn't have any grass to sand tiles. Sad. Oh my god, what the heck? Look at this thing. There's a frog! Oh, we have to put a frog in. Okay, so basically, the first part of this class is just painting. Painting everything. Newer Godot has auto tile. When you paint a road on grass, it auto changes the grass to road next to it, but that is like... I'd have to see it work, because I don't have a frame of reference in my mind. Because I'm like, what? Oh, unless we put this grass in instead, then I have to redo... Okay, this makes more sense actually than the really green grass. I'll just redo my sand under the houses after. Off to get cream. Good luck on your mission for cream. All right, see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you for being there. Huh. Cow liquids. Yum. Let's see. Let's go for this one. That seems like a... Yeah, like that. So we're just painting stuff. Nice. Yeah, so it's mostly just whatever we want it to be. So I'm just gonna make it whatever I want to be. Would there be a reason why I'd keep the center or something? Or does it matter if I go off? Still gonna be... Oh, that reminds me. Hold on. There's something I didn't do. Where is it? What? They changed things. Oh my god. Where is it? Sorry, I'm going forwards because the sun is coming up. There we go. A little better. I'm having issues because this is in dark mode, and dark mode is so bad for like sunshine going through the monitor. Oh, there it is. Let's see. I'll put it 1280 by 720 for now. Sizable, borderless. Wasn't there something else I had to put in? There was another setting. That's what I want to do. Cow liquids. Yeah, okay, so yeah. I'm not gonna follow what he's doing. I'm just gonna go off on my own little ideas here. Would this work well? I mean, it meshes well with the other one, but I feel like it's very redundant. I wish there were like more of these. Maybe the dojo only has sand in front of it. Maybe. Maybe it does. There we go. And then... we'll have... Oh my god. What the heck? What's going on? My throat? Why? I'm crying. What? Does it ever happen to you that your throat suddenly decides that it's really irritated? That's what just happened to me. It happens with like my nose sometimes, like there's like stuff going down under in the throat, and then it becomes super irritated, and then like that made me cry. I'm so sad. I'm dying on my own here. Alrighty, so this is a very sandy village so far. How am I going to transition into like more evergreen? Maybe it's just like stuck together. Ah, stop crying. Ah. Okie dokie. Thing is, I don't know everything yet. Oh, maybe the dojo has one of these. Maybe it would be too much. Yes, coffee, hi. Frog Fund. I should change the text of that. Yeah, humidity is 28% for me here. Oh, that's why. That's what's going on. Let's see. Maybe we have a bunch of rocks. Hold on. Just gotta be on this one. Like maybe the right beside the statue. Like a whole bunch of rocks. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Just like big chunk. There we go. Big chunk. A little tiny rock just to make it look a little more sparse like that. Yeah, humans should, well, at least 40, 50 even, like 30 is a bit low. Oh yeah, good idea about the trees. Oh no, I'd have to add another layer. Wait, because if I can't put it on this, can I? Maybe. Hold on, let's go for a, one of these maybe, let's try it. Oh, that works. Look at that. Maybe it's just like a bunch of trees back here. Ah, cuter. This one's... Yeah, that's what I thought would happen. That's what I thought. That means I need to have the statue on another layer. Great. I like it. Yes. Also, Nasmo, welcome in. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? Yeah, I think I'm okay with more. Indeed, indeed. So here is the forefront. This is... I wish there was something that would like highlight which ones are on which layer. I mean, I can do this, but... Okay, that's the background. That's nothing. Cool. See if I add... No, on this one. I feel like that tree doesn't quite fit, but I mean, it's not bad. Maybe we'll have some shrubbery. A little bit of shrubbery here and there. I'll put the other one too. A little bit of this. Got a shrubbery for the knights who say knee. Okay, I guess I'm doing good. I will be working in about an hour or so. I work at 9 o'clock. But yeah, we're doing some streaming right before we get into work, but you guys won't see that. I cannot show it, sadly. Oh my god, is that like a raccoon thing? I like that. Nice. Or maybe we have a stump. Somebody cut a tree in front of the house and they didn't take out the stump. Okay, so we got this little strip going well. Let's go for another layer maybe? Wait. I think we're good. Go back to this one. Maybe the other side of the village is fully grassy. Just like full grass. It goes from sand to grass really quickly. Use a new tile map layer. It does make the others gray. Oh, that is smart. But yeah, I'm using the old version because the tutorial is the old version. That's why I have this little sign beside here because it's deprecated. I wasn't expecting lyrics. Not this one, this one. There we go. That was annoying me. Thank you for the follow, Nasmo. Welcome into our little community. Just following the challenge. For those who wonder what the heck this challenge is about and why I have a timer down there. I have a website. I don't have a command yet to have it pop up in chat. But yes, if you're in Twitch, there's panels down there. You can check it out. Nice to say knee. You know, this one's... I don't want lyrics. Go away. Shoo. Wait, am I still in the... Oh, no, I'm no longer in it. Oops. Hold on. We're no longer in... Should have done... the thing where I... go... loop? Repeat the whole playlist. Delta Rooms, although let's go with, sure. Ooh, hopefully we're fine. I believe maybe that song was copyrighted. Oopsie. The one from before. Oops. I do have to blow my nose. Give me a hot second. I'm back. Oh, we have some pink shrubbery also. Nice. Well, I guess I can hide the course now. Because I'm not following what he's doing right now. He's doing his own thing, but I'm like, nope. I will do what I want. Oh, there's like a whole amount of text here. Multi-map, blah blah blah. Name each tile map layer descriptively. He didn't do that in the video. Morning, K7. Hello. Good morning. We're painting a little bit of pixel art here on our map. So this is everything. Crap. Which one is it? So this is a shrubbery. This is buildings, and this is ground, I guess. Let's call it ground. Naming layers. What a brilliant idea. Buildings. And then, oh, put my statue in building. It's kind of a building. It's big. Buildings and rocks. Whatever. Buildings. And then... shrubbery. Shrubbery. Nature. I mean, the raccoon's not really nature, but sure. Okay, cool. What do I want on the other side? We could have some more buildings, because this feels a little empty. What the heck is down here? Ooh, we have some interior design stuff. We have little dungeons and stuff. Nice. Dead trees. Oh, maybe you could have a dead tree up here. Let's put some more ground in and have some dead trees in the desert area. That's yellow. I'll go back to this one. Maybe it goes up here, then maybe we have a little bit more of that. Bring a little corner in like this. Like this. And then do this. And then it goes up. Ew. So I can only have like one. Ew. Okay. One it is then. Do do do. Do do do. Yeah, I'm only 1 hour in because technically we should have started last week, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it, and I kind of just chatted instead. So that's why we're a little late on the Godot part. Although I did do some courses beforehand, like a few months ago, but it's been a while. It's far. Let's go with a little bit of sand here, a little more sand up here. I'll fix the corners like this. There we go. Maybe we have a tree somewhere here. Tree. Maybe we have one like this. Maybe one here. Beautiful. Sparse shrubbery. Love it. So yeah, 1 hour of 100. So maybe by the end of the 100, we'll have a full working game. Now in my brain, we might go in all sorts of directions. Operation Crane complete. We're still going. Yep, till 8:30. We have 20 more minutes. Okay, so we have the thing going up. So maybe we'll have... Oh, do we have like little pathways other than this one? Ground. Don't make the mistake. Or maybe just a normal path. Or maybe... Sure, like that. Just gonna do this. Just so we have a little bit of greenery still. So then, yeah, it's gonna be desert and then like kind of pale green and then full green. Yes. We are indeed still going. For now. Looking nice. Let's see, what else do we have? We have some snow. We have whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is. Ooh, maybe there's a tent up here. Ha ha ha. Let's see, buildings. Go for this. Have it, maybe somebody's camping up here. Do we have any camping gear? Like a fire? We have a little bit of wood. What do we have? Oh, I mean, like fire would be animated though. Would make more sense, right? Let's see. What would I want beside my... Maybe they have their clothes hanging right beside their tent. Who knows? Would that be a building? I think so. Because I just want it like right here. They'll have like... Oh god, this has to be on the shrubbery layer. Oh dear. Oh, ew. What? I can only use one. Make it red then. That works, right? Yeah, let's put the unlit fire, or the sticks, I guess. Put it right in front. Is there a chair anywhere? Maybe they have like a little chair that they sit on while they look at their fire and their laundry drying one at a time because it takes forever. Because they can't fit in more. So they spend their time waiting. 20 minutes. Indeed. No chairs? Really? Or unless they're in the interior. Could be. Like a little folding chair would be nice. Maybe? There's a tiny chair, but that's not quite what I'm looking for. Well, that's annoying. Oh, that's disappointing. Well, if it was me, I'd make myself a little folding chair. But I'm not doing that this morning. Ooh, we have a little baby shrubbery. Can I have baby shrubbery somewhere? Yes, baby shrubbery will go by the statue. Actually, you know what? Makes more sense to not have anything in front of the statue. Probably should put some pathing in there. Have this. There we go. Maybe extend the path a little bit. There we go. Whoops. Whoopsie. That's confusing. There we go. That makes a lot more sense. Oh yeah, stumps. Stumps, not the big one. The tiny stump I had earlier. Where is it? There's a log, kinda. I mean, this could work. Let's see. Where's the one I had? Hold on. Yeah, this one. But then again, it would be a weird stump. It wouldn't fit with a desert area. I feel like this one fits better. Kind of. Because other than that... I mean, maybe they're sitting on the box. Also, there's like a bunch of boxes. Nice. We have a little camping area up here. Okay, house-wise... We are limited on houses, I feel, but... Oh well. Maybe we have another longhouse. Like maybe over here. Whoa, not shrubbery. Hold on. What do you mean deviation detected? Are you talking about the timer? It didn't start at 7. Is that what you mean? Maybe here. We'll get this longhouse. I don't know if anybody got the reference. Long man. Oh, the timer. Yeah, it's normal. Wait, what's it at? Yeah, it's fine. Just now we're in 5 minutes down. It's alright. Makes sense. No? To me it does. The main program people use is... yeah, I know. I keep seeing Monty using Asprite on Steam. I think you saw him earlier. The toast was there. Yeah. I think if you compile it yourself, it's free. Yeah, I could... With like Procreate would be a nightmare, probably. Then again, Procreate does have a lot of tools in it. Who knows? 8:30 on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Indeed, unless I have to go to the office on another day. It happens. Sometimes I do have to switch around. But yes, normally Monday, Tuesday, Friday for 1 hour and a half. Roughly. Yeah. And an hour for tomorrow and after tomorrow. Alrighty, ready. We have one of these. You didn't get that memo. It's alright. It's fine. We're still getting used to it. I could have like tiny house. Oh wait, no, hold on. No, it's for the middle. There we go. Tiny house. Yay. Then we're gonna go for full grass. Can I do kind of yeah, I can't really do a transition. Well, it's gonna be fully grassy. Maybe yellow, a little paler there. Full grassy. That's not too bad. Should be alright. As she does too, so... Yeah. I'm just making it up. Everything is in your imagination. Oh, I might have to go dark if I want to get these tiles. Wait. Oh, the pathways are mostly sandy. Is what I'm realizing. There's no, like... grass pathway. It's kind of like grass and dirt, but it's not grass and tile. I'm already complaining. Why are we going? I would do this different. Oh my. Okay, maybe we have a path going down from this area. I feel like the pathway would be too long. Oh wait, hold on. I guess this would... Whoops, nope, that doesn't work. I feel like this cuts really... There should be one with like a teeny corner. I don't think I have that anywhere. No. Again. I would do it differently. But this is an exercise. I'm going off here. Yeah, just the corners, but I don't have that one. Sad. Oh well. We'll have to deal with the not perfect path. Jeez. I do? Where? Where is it? I don't see it. Unless I... No. It should be like just a little dot. I don't see it. Oh, this one! Oh, never mind. I guess you are right. Yeah, it wasn't obvious enough for me. Sorry. So this one is this too. Wait, did I apply? No, I did not. Why? Oh, is it on another layer? Where is it? Aha! It's starting. The layer problem is starting. No. Oh my. All right, let's do a little something that I can. Well, something. Words. Words. You've made enough to know how they look. Yeah, I guess that does help for me. It helps me figure it out. Oh, those are nice. But then again, I'm already using that one. Let's see. Whoa, not on ground. No. Yeesh. I almost did a boo-boo. Yeah. Do I have one single tiny part? I don't think so. It's not perfect, but it'll do. The autotell is when you just say, I want a road here and here, and it autofills in all that odd corners and things. That's cool. I'm gonna have to try that out when we're not doing this exercise. Let's see, like this, and maybe we'll have some shrubbery. Where's my shrubbery? There it is. A little bit of pale shrubbery and some dark shrubbery. There we go. Nice. Oh, we're kind of missing a little bit of shrubbery here. We'll have a little 4. There we go. Nice. Alrighty. I will continue this off stream because I feel like this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna continue the course, see where we're going with this, see how far I have to get this map going, because I feel like I could spend hours just designing the map. But yeah, this is where we are right now. Nice. We got a little desert area, we got a little village, and I'm probably gonna transition to like a forest somewhere. Get a little more trees. Yeah, and I'm imagine... Oh, he's continuing the map and the other ones, I think. God, I feel like I'm talking with my nose. I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally. My nose is having issues. So yeah, the next ones are houses, shopping center, and mountains, home interior and temple, mountain, desert, graveyard. So I'm guessing the first part is all the map building stuff. You can see what I'm looking at. It's this thing. Let me just open it up. Hello. There we go. So this is what I'm going to be doing next off stream, ideally, because it does take a while. And then we're still designing. What the heck? Greenlands, mountain, campsite, Snowland. Still designing. Oh my god, are we just designing? Is that all we're doing? Jeez. The only -10. And I went across the street with no oh, okay, it's -10. Okay. It's only -10. Wow, brain. Wow, I can't read. No jacket. Ooh. Well, I mean, -9 is fine. After living through the -20s, I'm like, -9 is balmy. It's nice. Summer, ahoy! Yay! Yeah, today for us it is -17 according to my PC, but according to the app, it is -20. Wow, it is balmy where you are. It is definitely cold here. It's gonna be -8 later though. -8, tomorrow's -6. Yes, that means I can walk and not freeze to death because I walk to work. And then -4 on Thursday with some sunshine. Nice. Sunshine. I do need to charge my phone. Oof. Yeah, that's not bad. -9. So yeah, lots of collisions. Okay, so 4 is collisions. Yes. So we're gonna have quite the big map, I think. Won a block for milk last night in shorts, in t-shirt. Woof. Got a lot of looks. Yeah. But if you do run hot, am I gonna get it? Yeah. Yeah. Once in a blue moon, indeed. Oh, stretch it out. And if you've been sitting for a while, get up, stretch, do some Chinese auntie exercises, as I call them, where you do like kind of twist stuff. I've been doing that a lot lately. It does feel good. Only -5. Not bad. Not bad indeed. Yeah, so stretch, get some water if you've forgotten to grab your water. Mine's empty, so I'm gonna do that after stream. My coffee's very cold, but also not much of it left. Might make another one. Even though technically it's decaf, it's not doing anything for me. So, oh. I gotta pause you. There we go. So far, it's feeling like I'm doing art in a sense with Godot. So I guess they're all kind of complementary. All the skills we're doing are kind of like meshing together. Makes sense. Let's update the website. World done. There we go. Finally, we're not 100 hours in anymore. Yippee! Alright, copy this. Put that there. And then 98:45. Look at that. We did stuff. Sound design's the worst now. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure something out for sound design. Like, I don't know what direction to take with that one. I've told you before. I know I'm repeating myself, but like, that one, I'm a little Godot was a little in the beginning, but now I'm like, okay, we've got a project, we've got something going, so we're good. Sound design, we don't have a project, so chipping away at it. Yes, indeed. Hello, 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 bon matin. Hello, good morning. Ketu, welcome in. Let's publish this. There we go. It is live. There we go. So if you want to check it out, the link is in my about section stuff down there if you want to click it, or else it's this link right there. But yeah, tiny little website. Yes. Eventually I'll finish my pages. I did make the pages, but there's like nothing on them. Like I want to post like some pictures of some of the progress and like kind of blog style, but like all in one page, and like switch out stuff as we go. I don't know yet what I want to do with them, but yeah, we have that. A scary menu tune, main menu tune, that would be nice. My issue is I really don't know how to use my Akai yet. Like the thing you see in the picture, if you're wondering what I'm talking about, this is the Akai. I think I would have to do like find a course on YouTube or something, because the thing is, it's the software that's complex, not the machine itself. They're learning Godot, and it's definitely a little rough to learn, but the tooling you have available is incredible. Yes, there's so much for Godot. I am not starting from nothing as far as coding goes. I'm starting from web dev stuff. I do know a little bit of C#. Obviously I do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all the fun stuff. But yeah, I don't start from nothing. I used to be a backend developer back in the day. It's been a while. I did some PHP, some Ruby, and further away in the past I did some C#, not C#, C++ and Java. What else did we do? VB.net. Yeah, well, that's really far. So yeah, I don't start from nothing. I do start from a little bit of knowledge of how object-oriented stuff does work and coding works. It's just the way Godot is written I have to get used to. Yes, a script for everything. Yeah, no. It's fine, but no. I could probably code a little web game or something. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not completely starting from scratch. So most of them I'm not starting from scratch. It's just the music part that I am a little bit. It sucks. It's good for certain things. Not great if you want to do something a little more complex. Although I did do an interactive map on that last website I talked about and turned out well, but holy crap, doing the code for that was... So we use this thing called Umbraco. It's kind of a CMS type thing for the website, and I had to figure out a way of getting the CMS content for the interactive map into the templating with the Razor templating, which is kind of C# mostly. And you've got C#, but then you've got to put your info on top of the JavaScript. It's like, oh, it was a nightmare, but I managed. The Game Maker, kind of. Yeah, kind of is. It does look like that, but I'm probably gonna delve a little deeper in the code than most people, probably. Well, I mean, most people, as in people who don't know code and start and then use AI for vibe coding. I'm probably gonna do both. So the courses I have do have some C# in them. So I'm gonna show you guys. I know we're like past 8:30, but it's fine. I start at 9, so it's just my break time that's a little shorter. Dashboard. There we go. So this is what I'm using. There is a C# coding section of this, but we're gonna start with the base Godot script, and then we're probably gonna move on to C# at some point. Yeah, true. Godot and Unity are very similar. You can have assets in both. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It does have some AI stuff in it. Not too much, like you can see right there. But then again, it could be the game AI, which, oh, it's so confusing. Because you've got AI like Claude, ChatGPT, but then AI can also refer to the intelligence in the game. Like maybe your enemy can like recalculate things and do stuff. So it's very confusing. Yeah, this is one of them. Generative AI app development. This one I'm probably not gonna do. I don't know. Kind of don't want to use AI. Only viable for like boilerplate and get commit messages. Yeah, true. Also, we're gonna get into versioning at some point. For now, I'm not using versioning because exercises, don't care. If I lose it, whatever. But we are gonna get into that at some point too. Did I do that one? Maybe that's one of the ones I didn't do yet. Basics for C#. There's like a lot of stuff. It's so big. Like, it's $35 Canadian. And there's just so much stuff. There's a few repeats for some reason. I don't know why. Then there's templates also. I have this? Huh. I have a pixel art bundle. Look at that. Unit tests, yes. The angles can just be random 1 to 9 if lower than 2 attack. Yeah, exactly. Right. Stabo, good morning. Hello. How are you doing? I use versioning for everything, more for myself than anything else. Yeah. Yeah, I do have like a very small website on my Git. Like it's a line of text. I was like, oh, when do I make a next website? But then I found Google Sites and I was like, I'm lazy. I'm gonna go with Google Sites. But yeah, there's lots of stuff. There's stuff about algorithms also, which looks very... Where was it? There's this one. There's one of them. Ultimate algorithms, data structures, course, real-world expertise in graphs, trees, and pathfinding. It sounds awful. What's up, Mark? Hello. Good morning on the YouTubes. I am bad. I pay for a URL and host. Yeah, I don't want to do that. As a web dev, I've gone through all the fun stuff. So yeah, that is what we're doing for the 100 hours. There's going to be a lot of these classes. I'll try to do as much as I can off stream, but at the end of the day, I am tired. So we'll see. And I still have 3D, sound, and art to do. So I'll have to juggle around with all 4 of them. But at some point, they might just go like this. At some point, they're just going to go together. We're going to have a full project, and yeah. You also have a custom email. Damn, you really went all out. What am I working on? Nothing really so far, but we're doing an exercise right now. I mean, we were, because we're about to finish. This is how far it is right now. It's just like a tiny little village. This is an exercise from the Mammoth Club courses. I didn't make this tile set. Eventually we'll make our own. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. I do know engine work game dev is not easy, but deeply rewarding. It is. Well, especially when you're in GameWorks and you're like, yeah, I can actually play it. And then you're like, oh, I could add this and then this, and it just goes off. No, the all out, I was filled LLC and have a company. Gee, you really went all out on the company. Damn, let's go. So yeah, that's what we're working on, Mark. It's a little ninja game apparently. It's from one of these courses that I didn't pin. I should have pinned because now I lost. Where is it? Oh no. Oh wait, hold on. I just have to type ninja. I did have ninja in the title. Let's pin it because I'll lose it. There's too many of them. So this is what we're doing right now. Learning it. And eventually I want to make a small little anomaly game. Well, small. It's not really going to be small because it's going to mesh in some phasmophobia type functionalities in it. So yeah, that was my big idea. I have a whole like Notion full of ideas. Hold on. Where is it? I don't know where I put it. Is it in personal stuff? No. Where is it? Twitch? Where did I put it? Game dev? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I just saw another idea. Hold on. This too. I had an idea. It was like, ooh, what if I make a survival game, but like on an old tanker and like the people have to survive on it. But yeah, this is the anomaly game idea. I already have like a few spirits ideas because there's gonna be spirits in it. Like, oh, I did already a bit of research for the art design. I already have like some ideas for mood boards kind of things. I originally wanted to do it 2D. I might go the 3D route. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, true. And have a nice polished thing and be like, yeah, I made that. Indeed. Still waiting for the feeling. I'm expecting to not finish projects either. But then again, I'm doing this stream to hold myself accountable, so maybe I will finish one. Maybe. But anyway, we are a little past the time, but that's fine. So we are gonna have to start the ending. So for those who are new here, every morning, 7 a.m., do about an hour and a half. And this is the schedule down there. So the first one is art with like drawing. Thank you for the follow, Kedu. Phil, hello. Good morning. Tuesday is Godot. That's what we're doing today. Wednesday, it's just chatting session. It's like I don't know what to do with the 5th day because there's 4 skills. Maybe we'll just look up some stuff. Maybe it's gonna be a great moment to like brainstorm things, find things that could work for my little anomaly game. Maybe Thursday's the sound design, and then Friday is Blender. Yeah, with 3D. Thank you for the follow, Phil. And you guys are coming in last second. We're leaving. Oh no. Planning days are important. True. Yeah, have a schedule. Get things in order. Let's see. Are we rating this morning or are we not? I found a nice art channel yesterday. Ah, that's me. Jeez. Kirsty Arts is nice. Yeah, could read Kirsty. She's doing some art. She's pretty chill. But yes, planning days are definitely important. So we're gonna read out to Kirsty Arts. You can stay and say hello if you want to. Ah, my keyboard changed. Read Kirsty Arts. That should work, right? Did it start? I don't know. That's the problem with using a streamer bot, is like I can't see if it started or not. I guess maybe it did? Did it? So scuffed. I don't think it did. It doesn't work. Why? Why you no work? Try that again. Oh, now it worked. Why? That was weird. Okay. Anyway, we're reading out, so that means we'll be back at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, early mornings, every single day, Monday to Friday. So if you want to be chilling with us in the morning, just come by just for this short little hour in the morning. And yeah, just cozy vibes, working along, just start your day if it's morning for you. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. So we're gonna read out now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye!